There's nothing quite like it. It's just a completely different place than anywhere I have ever been.
We travel in January. We usually leave the U.S. in late December, and we return to the U.S. the day before classes start. These are not, semester abroads. These are short trips, but they're technical courses though. So students get technical credit, they count toward their degrees, and so it gives them both engineering experience, it gives them real world experience, it gives them just an eye-opening exposure to a different world.
The way the program's set up is amazing, where you were working one-on-one with the villagers, so it was more so when we were in the villages at least. The villagers had a whole committee set up that worked with us, and they taught us about their village and taught us about their water, like current water system and their current water sources.
Going into it, it's like an engineering-based program, and I'm not an engineering major, and I was a little bit hesitant about that when I was applying or looking at the program at first. When we were out there, it's so obvious, you do not need to be an engineering major to go into this program. We had chemical engineers, we had mechanical engineers, we had me, I'm an earth science major, and everyone brings a new skill set to the program.
It was the best thing I've ever done. Learning in the villages from the people who lived in the villages was amazing. You learn how to see life in a different way.
It changed me when I came back for the first time. It just changed my perspective on life. It really, really did. And I see it in the students every time. We've had students who've come back and have actually changed what they're gonna do in their professions because of it.
When we were in Tanzania, sort of at the end of our trip, working on our designs, I was sitting with my teammates and we were just working on this, and there was a moment where we just kind of looked at each other and we were like, there is nothing quite like this that we have ever done in our coursework before. This is hands-on, real world. You are designing a system for these people, for this village, and it has the potential to make a huge impact on these people's lives.
It's a wonderful program because you learn, the students, I think when they go, they might think they're out there to help the Tanzanians. And I think they learn that at the end, they've learned more from the Tanzanians than the Tanzanians will ever learn from us.